Apple has engineered a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries of what a compact tablet can do. It completely changes the rules of modern personal computing. It is a silent, hyper-efficient monster disguised as an elegant piece of minimalist design. If you are a creator, an engineer, a medical professional, or someone who simply demands the absolute pinnacle of technological efficiency without being weighed down by heavy gear, you need to look very closely at what Apple has achieved here. Because the iPad mini 8 is currently sending a massive shockwave through the entire tech industry, leaving legacy device manufacturers scrambling to figure out how something this incredibly portable can deliver performance this terrifying. To truly understand why the custom silicon inside this tiny powerhouse is causing absolute panic among competitors, you have to look past the beautiful aluminum enclosure and look at the microscopic engineering beneath the surface. The iPad mini 8 is driven by a next-generation architecture built on a cutting-edge, ultra-dense nanometer process. Apple has managed to pack hundreds of billions of transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp, reducing the physical distance that data has to travel to near absolute limits. This means latency is virtually eradicated. When you touch the screen, when you render a file, when you execute a complex mathematical simulation, it doesn't just happen quickly. It happens instantaneously. The system features a hyper-optimized blend of performance cores and high-efficiency cores that balances workloads with flawless intelligence. The chip calculates your exact needs down to the millisecond, routing maximum power to heavy tasks while sipping tiny milliwatts of energy during lighter workloads, ensuring that not a single drop of electricity or performance is wasted. But where the iPad mini 8 truly detaches itself from the rest of the tech world is its revolutionary unified memory architecture. In traditional mobile devices, the system is bottlenecked by an outdated structure, where data must constantly travel back and forth across a motherboard between separate pools of processing RAM and graphics memory. The internal architecture completely vaporizes this bottleneck by fusing the processor, the graphics cores, and the system memory into one single ultra-wide, high-bandwidth pool of pure speed. The processing unit and the graphics core arrays share identical data pools in real time, completely eliminating the need to duplicate information or wait for slow memory transfers. If you are a video editor scrubbing through multiple layers of uncompressed raw footage, a developer compiling a massive software codebase on the go, or an artist working with hundreds of high-resolution layers, the system handles it with a fluid, frictionless responsiveness that feels almost supernatural. The very concept of a loading bar or a stuttering preview window is completely deleted from your user experience. Let's talk about the visual engine, because the graphics processor inside the iPad mini 8 is an absolute titan of microengineering. Apple has completely overhauled the graphics pipeline, introducing highly advanced hardware-accelerated ray tracing and dynamic caching networks. This allows the system to allocate hardware memory in real time down to the exact pixel, maximizing efficiency and unlocking jaw-dropping visual fidelity. Whether you are manipulating complex 3D geometry, working in heavy visual effects environments, or running modern, graphics-heavy software, the device handles it without a single flinch. It delivers a level of sustained graphical output that historically required a dedicated desktop setup, and it does it all while using a fraction of the power, running completely